You're welcome once again, episode number 32. I think with all we have done so far on the compound angles, you'll be able to solve this without ease. But before then, you can pause the video, solve it, then compare your solution. So if we are given tan 45 as 1, tan 30 as 1 over 3, we are finding tan 75 in a said form. So if I have my tan 75, I can rewrite that as a tan of 45 plus what? 30, which shows the sum of the two angles we are having. And how do we expand the sum? It is the tan of the first angle plus the tan of the second angle. These are all in degrees, bear with me. Then we divide by 1 minus tan of the first angle 45, the tan of the second angle 30. So what do? We only do a mere substitution what this stands for, and that means 1 in the case of this plus 1 over the root of 3 divided by 1 minus 1 times this. We'll say, okay, let me write it for the sake of learning. So in that case, remember this is also having 1, so we can solve that as having the LCM of what? Root 3. So if we can multiply here root 3 over root 3, meaning that becomes the root of 3 plus 1 if you add the numerator, or divided by the root of what? 3 for the numerator there. Then divided by, we can use this division if you like, but let's go in that order. The same thing is going to happen here. 1 times this remain 1 over root 3. Then this is also 1 over 1. That is root 3 over root 3. So I'll be having the root of 3 minus 1 divided by the root of what? 3. Alright. So now what do? I can now convert this to become root 3 plus 1 divided by the root of 3 divided by root 3 minus 1 over the root of what? 3. So now I can change this into multiplication and reciprocate the diagram or the fraction. Let me see if I can buy space here. So in this case, I should have root 3 plus 1 over the root of 3 times root 3 over the root of 3 minus 1, reciprocating the second fraction whilst we change division to what? Multiplication. You can see the root 3 will cancel, leaving the root of 3 plus 1 over the root of 3 minus 1. But we need to rationalize. So this becomes the root of 3 plus 1 times the root of 3 plus 1 divided by the root of 3 minus 1 multiplying root 3 plus 1. Remember, the conjugate of the denominator is what we use in multiplying. So this is negative, hence the positive. So you can see this is divided by this. I can cancel it easily, come back to the original state. Now, how do we multiply this? This is root 3 times root 3. That will give you only 3. Root 3 times 1. That is plus of root 3. 1 times root 3. That is root 3. 1 times 1, 1. Divided by the same thing will be 3 plus the root of 3. I think this I can even solve it because it's a difference of 2 squared, not to waste the marker. You can see this is plus minus, so the square of this is 3 minus the square of this is 1 as a difference of 2 squares. So now I see in here, this will be giving you this plus this will be 4, this plus this. So I have 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by what? 2 if you subtract. So 2 divide this, 2. 2 divide this, the root of 3. So your final answer will be 2 plus the root of 3. I know we have to divide it separately. The space is not there. But when you are solving, you write 4 divided by 2 plus root 3, 2 root 3 divided by 2. Then that cancellation can easily be seen when you cancel it to get to this place. I guess the concept is about this. All this from here downwards is showing your powers in Z, how you can easily operate in Z. But under the trigonometry, it is only this from here and here is what we are employing. The rest are arithmetic. Like, if you find it educative, share for those of your friends who also need this, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, any comment at all, for us to keep learning together. Bye-bye.